Picture a couple of scenarios. A starving man buys a 3-course meal and only takes a few bites. A woman buys a sports car, but always drives 20 miles per hour under the speed limit. Both of these sound ridiculous, right? Why pay for something and not use it fully? That's the same question we ask businesses that pay for their Microsoft 365 subscription and only use it for Office products and email. They're not even using SharePoint, OneDrive, Teams, or any of the other benefits that are included with their subscription. And if they are, rarely are they using them correctly. So, why aren't they using them, or using them incorrectly? 1, they don't know they exist, or 2, they've never been trained to use them. That's where we come in. Not only do we support Microsoft 365, we provide training to help you maximize your money and productivity. Time to put the pedal to the metal and reach out today.